It's not their thing, it's our thing. Our thing. Not their thing, our thing. So today we no, I was joking about the fact that like I'm gonna be the only loser filming that I'm in Mid-Valley Mall. But we're at Mid-Valley! Shop and sad. Currently, we're just like walking around the Mid-Valley Mall. It's kind of awkward because like if y'all didn't know, I am getting awkward stares. No, but this is the first time I'm filming on GoPro. I'm trying out like Shazmina's boyfriend's GoPro. Yeah. So we're just roaming around because Shazmina's getting a haircut. So yeah. House tour. So we have our living room area, our little pantry kitchen situation, our little lounges over here. We have our bedrooms, the toilets, and our wonderful view. Which the windows are a bit dirty, but the view is nice. Yeah. Doing an unboxing. So 3 of us got Mofusan, and then Selena got Smitsky. Unboxing.
Oh my god, the one I want is 1 out of 12 eh. Fuck.
How do you know?
You can see the probability on the box. Okay.
The ones I want is 2 out of 12.
Okay. Wait, but the rest I'm okay with all. Okay, I'll open already. Wait.
1, 2, 3.
I got this so sure.
I think it's...
I know this is the one I wanted.
I wanted this one.
No, wait, wait. Okay.
Okay, wait. Give me your babies. Let me show the camera.
This is the one that I had. This is the one I have at home, you know.
Oh no, this is the... Oh.
As in like, that's the one that I had from the Mofusan one, not the...
I got the orca, but like, I wanted the octopus. So cute!
I wanted the orca!
And then we got the Smitsky
Where's my phone?
the sleeping
I'm
one.
putting it on my phone.
So cute. Baby! It's a baby kitty cat thing. Drinking. Lighting not the best, but mini unboxing. Like my last JB trip, I literally got one. So in tradition, let's get another. The one I want is this, but I already saw inside. I don't think it's that. Okay, because for me, I personally do not like rabbits, but I got... Oh, I got this one. Yeah, it's like that. We got cake. Mine's a strawberry shortcake.
Sure. Yeah. But the powder will fall over everywhere.
She got tiramisu cake.
It's crab cake.
Crepe. Crab. Crepe.
Oh, whatever lah, this point.
Good morning. It is day 2 and we are ready, but they are still getting ready. Call time was 10 AM to wake up. But to leave house is 11 to 12:30. So all is good technically. I didn't really film much with the camera because gotta live the life, man, guys. I'm sorry. Cute sound background. we arrived at Eco Holiday. Yeah. We are gonna do a bunch of activities here. Also, it looks so bougie, like aesthetics, yes.
Halfway through it.
That's crazy.
demolished it.
Ugh. Ugh. You wanna try?
I know for a fact I won't like it.
Ugh. Ugh. It's interesting. It's like chrysanthemum tea.
Really? I didn't know, thank you. Wait.
I don't know what I'm drinking.
This is so dead. So we just finished dinner and now we're on the way back. That is basically the end of our trip. Our trip wasn't really eventful, but
Not eventful, very eventful.
it wasn't that eventful compared to our first JB trip. Which y'all
I don't
can
even remember what the
watch.
fuck happened on the first trip.
Like our key main things were like thrifting, massage, eating.
Or thrifting. Or
Yeah. But this trip was mainly like a leisure holiday. It wasn't like we didn't plan a lot. We were just like enjoying ourselves. And that's all. So this is my first trip in 2025 actually. And my first time filming with Matt's GoPro. So that's fun. I'm gonna go now. Bye!